This is a Vulcan Iron Works 1910 Dinky locomotive. We believe it is a 040T saddle tank engine. Starting life at a foundry plant in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, it came to West Virginia in 1940 to act as one of three for Winding Gulf Coal Company's Tipple Transport to take coal to the Chesapeake and Ohio railway cars to then be sold. It was in 1953 that it came to Beckley to be mounted at New River Park's swimming pool, and in the early 2000s was moved closer to the Beckley exhibition mine. See the link below for the historical marker database write-up on this engine, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring this vehicle here with us at VR Virtual Studio.